Talofa to you all. My name is Alima Danielo. My student ID number is S11238340. I'm located here at Langala campus, and today I'm going to present with you my macro teaching on ED 116. Thank you. Okay, good afternoon, class. Okay, before we move on to our new lesson for today, I want you to all stand up, stretching before we begin the new lesson. Okay, stand up, class. Hands up, shake your hands, shake faster, roll your hands, roll. Okay, thank you very much. You can take your seat now. Okay, class. Who can tell me or who knows about these three words? Solid, liquid, or gases? Very solid. Solid is a table. Thank you. Okay. Okay, class. Very good. Now, our topic for today is materials. Our topic for today is materials. Before we discuss our topic, there are two learning outcomes that we are going to cover in this lesson. The first one is to describe the criteria for identifying solids, liquids, and gases. And the other one is to describe the effect of heat on ice or cooling water. Very good. Now, with eyes on the board, class. Materials. Materials. Can we read all this definition together? Materials. Materials are substance or mixture that constitute objects and can be classified based on their physical and chemical properties. Very good. Okay, now class, that is our topic for today. So, I want you to take out all your notebook and copy our notes in your notebook. Very good. Copy them down. I'll give you 5 minutes to copy this notes in your on your notebook. And after this, we are going to discuss our notes and do one activity to sum up our lesson for today. Very good, class. Okay, you can copy your notes now. Copy them down. Okay, class? Okay, thank you. Put pens down, eyes on the board. Now, we are going to discuss our notes from the beginning to the end of this, of our notes. Okay, class, materials. Materials are substance or mixture that constitute objects and can be classified based on their physical and chemical properties. Example, iron or water, and many other examples of materials. Okay, we know that materials are any objects or anything that, or any mixtures or the substance, they are all materials. Okay, now, next, who can tell me what is matter? Very good, metals. Metals are any object. Matter is materials. Okay, here are the three stages of matter: solid, liquid, and gases with their examples. Very good. Listen very carefully. solid, defined as it is more dense than liquid. The atoms are tightly packed together and stay in shape all by themselves. Okay, solid. The atoms are solid is any object that you can see they are tightly packed or they are hard. You can or you can take it that is solid. For example, the brick, banana, glass, wood, and etc. Very good. Next one is liquid. Liquid are usually less dense than solid, more dense than gases. Okay? Liquid is less dense than solid, but more dense than gas. So the atoms in liquid have spaces, but not that far. Unlike solid, there are no spaces within the atoms inside any object of any objects. They are tightly packed together, and they are stacked in pattern. They are stacked in shape. Okay, for the last one, gases are even less dense than liquid. So gases is less dense than liquid or solid. So this stage of matter, the atoms inside the gases are spreading all over. Like there are many spaces within the atoms in gases. Okay, for example of liquid, blood, wine, oil, alcohol, and etc. For example of gas, air, natural gas, water vapor, and etc. Thank you very much, class. Okay, class. For the last page of the note, the effect of heat on ice or cooling water. These notes for the second learning outcomes that we have to know at the end of this lesson. Okay, listen very carefully. The effect of heat on ice causes it to melt, changing it from a solid to liquid, because the heat energy makes water molecules move faster and break the bonds holding them in the solid structures. This is the effect of heat on ice cooling. For example, if you are we are going to solve this. We are going to prove this effect. When you have an ice cube, the ice cube, and you have to prove this either it's correct or wrong. Okay, when you have the ice cube, and when you have the ice cube and the pot of a boiling water, what happens if you put an ice cube inside the pot of okay, what the effect of heat on ice cube or cooling water? Okay, you have a ice cube and a pot of boiling water. When you put the ice cube inside the pot, what happens next? Very good, it melts. So that is the effect of heat on ice or cooling water. Okay, right? Are you all clear, students? Before we move on to the activity. Okay, thank you, class. Now, take out all your activity book and do this activity. Do the activity. I will give you 2 minutes to do it and submit it for mark payment. Okay, there are 3 questions, there are 4 questions we are going to answer. Okay, let's discuss the activity. The first number, the first question is define gas. The second one, list 2 features of a liquid. Next, give 3 examples of solid. And for the last questions, what is the effect when we put an ice cube in a pot of hot water? This one of hot water. Okay? I'll give you 2 minutes to do this activity before you submit it for marking. Okay. For those who need help, raise your hands up so that I can come to assist you. For those who are finished, submit your work so that I can mark it before we end our class today. Very good, class. Okay, class. I have marked all your activities. Your answers are all perfect, but I hope that you all understand about the lesson that we have talked about today. Very good, class. Now, take up your homework book. Write this. There is one question we are going to do in homework. Okay, I'm going to discuss home. Do an experiment at home. Observe the effect when you place a hot nail on an ice cube. Write 3 to 4 lines of your observation. Okay. That is our homework. Ask your parents to assist you by doing this at home. Very good. Okay, Nelson, what is solid? Very good. Thank you, Nelson. Solid defined as it's more dense than liquid. Very good. Okay, give an examples of gas up here. Very good. Natural. Yes, very good. Natural gas, water vapor. Okay, class. That is our lesson for today. But I hope you all understand about what we have talked about today. Okay, class? Remember the homework to do it at home. That is the first thing I have to check before we begin our class tomorrow. Okay? Very good, class. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye.